Ciao ragazzi! I feel like having Sfincione today, so we're going to make Sfincione today. Sfincione is often said it's a pizza from Palermo. It's kind of like that, but it's not exactly a pizza. It's something more, a bit more rustic. And as always, I'm going to use whatever I have home, which is this. I have canned tomatoes, 1 onion, and for the cheese, I'm going to use Violife. Standard recipes would have white onions, would have anchovies. Being a vegetarian, I won't eat anchovies. So if you're looking for the traditional recipe, check out the guys at Sicilian Food Culture. They have an amazing website, they have an amazing Facebook group. You're gonna find exactly what you need, so check them out. Let's start with the dough. Normally, the shape is rectangular, because even the tray should be rectangular, but I don't have it. So I have a round one, just like the pizza one, and here is my dough. It's a gluten-free dough. As you can see, it's slightly bigger and slightly higher than a regular pizza, and that's the way it should be. So Sfincione is normally slightly thicker than a regular pizza. So here's how the gluten-free base looks like now. It's ready now. As you can see, there's a lot of air inside, so there's a lot of holes. That's exactly the way it should be. Remember, this is a gluten-free vegan version of the Sfincione, which is definitely very far from the traditional one. Remember, for the regular dough and the regular ingredients, go and check out the full recipe at SicilianFoodCulture.com. It's written out all nicely. You just can't miss it from the very beginning, so from the dough to the very end when it's ready to eat.